now we are done with the first product. The second product is easier. So let's look at the second special product. Second special product is this. What happens when I have a minus b squared? What do you think? A minus b, then a minus b. Right, I paused the video. Alright, can you write down x minus y squared and tell me the answer? Everyone start. In 5 seconds, tell me the answer. Pian, what's the answer? Never mind, you do on the spot. What's the answer? X square minus 2xy plus y square. Is that easy to follow? Can yeah, you need a bracket, but because your alphabet doesn't make so much a difference, you only make a difference when I have number and alphabet together in a term. Now let's try what happens when I have 5 minus p squared? Is there someone in our class name start with P? No. Wan Yuan. Before I even start, what must I write? Bracket. So what do I write? Bracket square plus or minus? Wrong. Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Minus. Minus 2 bracket then plus or minus? Plus bracket square. Everyone okay with this bracketing? Now put in the first and the second item. What do you put? Guan Yuan, first one, what do I put? 5 or P? 5. Second one? 5. Third one? P. Last one? P. Is this okay? Yeah, just that this sign change from plus to minus. You use plus, you will get answer. Okay, now let me explain. If you put the plus here, that means here must be minus. So my way of teaching is try not to put the minus into this minus here. So you take it as 2 different formula. But if you insist on putting this as plus, this as minus, it will still give you the same answer. You want me to write out? Very simple. Is it possible that the p square come then the 5 square go behind? Technically not wrong, but I always want to follow. This is the first item, this is the second item. Is this okay? This is okay, Can So I don't talk about the plus and minus. Now what's the final answer? 25 minus 10p plus p squared. This is the answer. Oh, okay. Half of you okay, half of you not okay. Right. I refuse to teach you the very, very easy method. It's because there are traps everywhere. So I want to tell you the bracket method. Okay? Now, let's look at B. Let's look at B. B minus 8 squared. Okay. Are you all okay? Now let's try. B minus 8 squared. Part C. What must I do first? Put the bracket square minus 2 bracket. Let's try, Then, plus, bracket square. Is it a must to put the minus? Yes. But here will be positive. Here will be just 8. If you put plus here, then this is negative 8. I leave it to you. Is that okay? Yeah. Now, I don't bring in the plus and minus. I just follow this template. I take it as there's a new formula. This is a new formula. Right. So, over here, what is the first blank? B. The second one? B. Then A. Then A. Expand it. What is B square? Second one? 16B. Third one? 64. Can I know what is the discussion about? Are you all clarifying doubts? Yes, sir. Okay, is there something I need to address as a class, like what or how or why or what happened or how can I do it? Can I have the questions to address to me so that I can tell the whole class? No. Can we try this example? Can. Okay. Can I check? How many of you complete this question already? Nisa, bring your paper here. Asha, bring your paper here. Darren, bring your paper here. I want to see. This part here, many of you argue, teacher, you are making something very simple, very complicated. I thought I understand, but after listening to your lesson, actually I don't. But I'm telling you, if you don't do the bracket method, these are the 4 possible answers your friends have done. Out of these 4, only 1 is correct. What does it mean? It means that 75% of you will get wrong. You thought you know, but because you never use the bracket, all the answer here wrong. But why wrong? How wrong? Which one is correct? Let's investigate. Can we do it together? Can you drop down what you have previously learned from your previous teachers and try out the method that I have just demonstrated. Can we all do together the bracket method? Let's see, out of these 4, actually only 1 is correct. Okay, let's try. Now, this is also a chance for me to tell you, teacher, actually, I make things difficult for a reason. It's because to prevent you from getting wrong answer. First step, recognize, is this first one or second one? Is it A plus B or A minus B? Minus. Minus means I must have the bracket which works something like that. Let me use the green pen as a correction. Is this okay? Can everyone, including those who wrote these 4 answers, take out a green pen, write this bracket? Second step, put in the A and B. Put in the first item and the second item. Let's have the next one to help us. I got 57 message. I'm dead. Businessman. Ashley. Now, first bracket, what do I put? Everyone, please follow. 2x. Can you do it together with me? I will put 2x. After that, the second blank, 2x. The third blank, 3y. The last blank, equal. First one, what is 2x bracket whole thing square? 4x squared. So, no. Let me explain why no negative. Let me try. Because here you already put negative. That's why here no need. If I have negative times negative, what will I get? Plus. it will go back to the first one already. So it's wrong. So what if this one is plus, right? What if it's plus 3y? Then over here, over here this one becomes plus. So this is minus, this is minus. So what is the important thing in special formula? The b is the positive one, not the negative one. Is that okay? Okay. This negative, okay. Let me try again. This negative already taken care of in front here. This negative actually belongs to the one in front here. How about the other one? Doesn't matter. Why? Minus square will be positive. Even you put minus 3y square, you still get 9y square. Doesn't matter if you put plus or minus. Okay. All can see the board here. Tori can see the board here. Can Now let's say I don't want. Can I write this way? The answer is still the same. I show you a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is the same. But what is different is over here this is a plus, which I don't want you to think of it as a plus. I want you to think of it as a minus. But what is the condition? The condition is over here the b, you must not put the negative. But whether you put negative or not, as long as the final answer you are able to tell me, teacher, this one is a square minus 2ab plus b square, I am okay. Do you follow? Ashraf and Zhang Ming is struggling here because you keep thinking there's a minus. Why the minus disappear? I tell you, the minus did not disappear. The minus got brought forward here. It's the same as this. Do you understand this? Can you accept it now? Okay, Orlando question, listen. What is 2x plus negative 3y squared? This is still 2x minus 3y squared. Same. Okay, let's continue the question and see which of the four is correct. Looking at the first term, 4x squared, all the same? Same, Second term got different already, right? Because I have 2x squared means 2x times 2x. What is 2 times 2? 4. Okay, let's try, The second one will tell us which one wrong. What is 2 times 2 times 3? 12. Wrong. Only the second one is correct. Now you understand why you say, teacher, why something so easy, you go and purposely make it so difficult until I don't understand. Actually, no. I'm trying to prevent you from stepping into the 3 wrong steps by putting the bracket. Now you understand what I want to do? When you put the bracket, it's very easy for you to tell me 2 times 2 times 3. Why? Calculator. But if you don't want to put, you say, sir, very troublesome, I don't like the bracket. What you will do is you will try mental sum. 2 times 3, then 6 what? But you forgot there's a 2. Can you follow now? Last one also got trapped. Let's look at the last one. Orlando, what is 3y bracket square? What is bracket 3y square? 9y square. Do you see this is wrong? Do you see this is wrong? The last two is wrong. This one don't have y square. This one don't have square. So, put the bracket. Can I rest my case here? How do I get negative 12? It's very simple. We don't take a calculator, press negative 2 times 2 times 3. Minus 12. Okay? Any other questions? Daryl? Good question. Can everyone write down? Can everyone write down? Ada? Okay. Hey, how do I change this back to either the first one or second one? I ask you a question. If I say A minus B, if I say A plus B, is it the same as B plus A? Which means over here I see two boxes. I see the first box, I see the second box. Must write. This is a very good question. I throw the question back to you. Do you think it's okay, Darren? Do you think it's okay, Darren, to switch the two boxes around? A plus B, is it same as B plus A? Then why you say cannot? Can or cannot? Can. Can we try and switch the boxes around? What do you think you will get? Does this look like pattern 1 or 2? 2. Yes, but you need to be very careful because I tell you to ignore the minus sign. But now you don't know whether to ignore or not to ignore. Kelly, are you okay? Kelly? Tired? Sick? Tired? Are you okay? Are you copying down? Oh, finished already. Okay. Is this okay? Can, Now let's look at the next one. Okay, stop.